class 7C. Today I am going to give a presentation about combat the e-waste. What is e-waste? E-waste or electronic waste is described as discarded of electronic items such as mobile phones, home appliances, televisions, etc. They are thrown away for recycling, refurbishment, or simply in the environment. Why is e-waste a problem? Uh, Electronic products are usually made up of heavy metals, plastic, or carbon fibers, which are non-biodegradable solid materials. These materials take 10 to 1000 years to decompose fully. Uh, uh, these e-waste is disposed of improperly in landfills, which means they are dumped in trenches or on an open field or a ground. Hazards of e-waste. E-waste is a direct threat to the human civilization. As e-waste is dumped off improperly, they are the main reason for land and air pollution. As time passes, the e-waste flows off in the water bodies and is the major reason for the death of many marine animals. 85% of the world's e-waste produce is dumped in Ghana, a country in South of Africa. Huge amount of e-waste, approximately the size of Australia, is dumped in the Pacific Ocean. Condition of e-waste in India. India is among the 5 leading producers of e-waste besides the US, China, Germany and Japan. India produces approximately 2 tons of e-waste annually. 2 tons of e-waste approximately annually, and it is estimated that India will produce 5.2 million tons of e-waste by the end of 2020. The total value of the raw materials comprised in making of these electronic products are approximately $61.05 million. Recycling of e-waste. Metropolitan cities have large recyclers which only recycle 0.5 metric tons of the whole produce. The e-waste is majority of the e-waste is collected illegally by scrap dealers or traditionally known as kabadiwalas. Possible solutions for controlling e-waste. It is a big threat for the human civilization and should be taken into consideration. To reduce mobile discardation, we can upgrade the old devices to the desired performance. For example, 5G will be introduced in the country, so people will dispose of their 4G phones to buy new 5G phones. Why not upgrade these old devices to get the desired performance? For laptop computers, we can upgrade the cores of the old devices to get the desired performance. Thank you.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, इलेक्ट्रिकल जो कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स है, हम वो टूटने के बाद या खराब होने के बाद ई-वेस्ट नहीं होता है। ई-वेस्ट कभी बनता है कि हम वो चीज बहुत दिन नहीं यूज कर रहे हैं। समझो कि आपने मोबाइल ले लिया और ड्रॉअर में वैसे रख दिया, नया मोबाइल। 6 महीने के बाद सुनो, 6 महीने के बाद वो नया मोबाइल भी ई-वेस्ट बन जाता है, क्योंकि
children are also showing their work what they have done. Just like you, they also have made the scrapbooks. You can see that. Okay?
देखो कितना उन्होंने भी आपके जैसे स्क्रैपबुक बनाए हैं, उन्हें भी बताया जा रहा है कि ई-वेस्ट के बारे में। हाय हेलो, you are looking smart. Thank you. And you are done very fantastic work. Very good. Keep it up. देखो हम लोग आपका अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, आप लोग जो मेहनत की है, आप लोग जो ई-वेस्ट के बारे में अवेयरनेस करने जा रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा है। हमें चाहिए, हमारी आज ये जरूरत है, जैसे कि हम भारत देश में हमारे स्कूलिंग सिस्टम में ईवीएस का मतलब आयोजन चालू किया है, जैसे आप लोगों ने भी किया है। इससे देश की संपत्ति का हम लोग एक जतन कर रहे हैं। वी आर कंट्रोलिंग द पोल्यूशन। हम लोग क्यों कर रहे हैं ईवीएस का? ये हमें पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल करना है। ओके, और आप लोग सीधे बैठो क्योंकि सब लोग देख रहे हैं। आप लोग अभी इंटरनेशनल लेवल में है। आप अभी वो बच्चे भी आपको देख रहे हैं। अरे उनको आपने सबने हाई तो कर दिया, हेलो कर दिया। तो ईवीएस क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स चीज बहुत दिन हम लोग यूज नहीं करेंगे। जैसे कि आपने घर में किचन में क्या क्या चीज होती है? मिक्सर होता है, फ्रिज होता है और बहुत कुछ चीज होती है। और हम लोग वो चीज यूज नहीं करेंगे तो ईवीएस बन जाता है। अभी हमारे कंसेप्ट क्या है? कोई चीज टूटे या खराब हो गई तो ईवीएस, ऐसा नहीं है। हम लोग चीज यूज करना चाहिए। अब ये ईवीएस के बारे में हम लोग क्यों बात कर रहे हैं? ईवीएस के वजह से हमें बहुत सी बीमारी हो सकती है। वो कैसे होती है? सुनो, कितने लोगों के घर में घड़ी है? घड़ी, वॉल क्लॉक। ओके गुड, तो सबके घर में है। स्टूडेंट्स यू आर लिसनिंग। आपके घर में भी घड़ी होती है। बांग्लादेश में हर एक घर में घड़ी तो होती है। घड़ी किसके वक्त चलती है? घड़ी कैसी चलती है? क्लॉक वाइज, एंटी क्लॉक वाइज नहीं, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कौन से इनर्जी में घड़ी चलती है? घड़ी चलती है एक सेल पे। सेल के शेप कितने होते हैं? कुछ लंबे रहते हैं, सब कुछ फ्लैट रहते हैं बटन जैसे, ठीक है। तो ये सेल कितने दिन चलता है? आपके घड़ी का सेल कितना दिन चलता है मालूम है? 6 मंथ चलता है। हमारे इंडिया में एक सेल 6 महीने चलता है। बहुत अच्छा, आप दिखा रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है, हम देख रहे हैं। गुड। हमारे तरफ से भी देखो, हमारे तरफ से भी आपको दिखाया जा रहा है और बच्चे भी सुन रहे हैं। तो एक सेल 6 महीने चलता है। अभी देखो, सोचो अपना घर में, हर एक के घर में कितने वॉच है? 3, 4, 5, 6। एक वॉच में कितने सेल है? 2। एवरेज 3। ओके, हाँ। अभी पीछे वाले बच्चे सुनो, एक घड़ी में 2 सेल होते हैं, किसी में 1 होता है। एवरेज हम लोग 2 पकड़ेंगे तो एक घर में हमारे कम से कम 6 सेल होते हैं। एक फैमिली में 6 सेल हो गए। ये तो घड़ी के हो गए। व्हाट अबाउट द रिमोट कंट्रोल? रिमोट के उसमें कितने सेल होते हैं? 2। तो हो गए 8 हो गए। बाद में किसी के घर में साउंड सिस्टम होती है। साउंड सिस्टम के लिए और एक रिमोट होता है। किसी के घर में एसी होता है, उससे भी रिमोट होता है। तो हमारे घर में एवरेज 10 सेल हर एक के घर में है, पेंसिल सेल। देखो आप लोग अभी इधर कितने बच्चे बैठे हैं? कम से कम 1500 बैठे हैं। तो 1500 फैमिली में 10 सेल तो कितने हो गए? 1500 ओके। देखो खाली एक एसपी पाटिल स्कूल में बच्चों के पास 15,000 सेल्स है। और वो कब तक स्क्रैप होने वाले हैं? आफ्टर 6 मंथ। 6 महीने के बाद इतने सेल खराब होने वाले हैं। तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? घड़ी बंद रखेंगे, नया सेल लाएंगे, बराबर है। अभी देखो आपको बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है। 15,000 सेल अभी इतना खाली बच्चों के घर में है।
One more question is about recycling, because many of the things children are asking, like there are many things that we cannot recycle. What shall we do with the things like mobile phones? If we are disposing them off, what shall we do with the going e-waste like that? That's one question.
Mobile phone is a very simple and small thing for us. There are so many other things also, but I will tell about the mobile phone. If we collect the mobile phone from the society, and not only that, in mobile phone there are 2 things are there. One thing, there are so many metals are there and plastic is there. Okay, If we open this mobile phone, first we have to take care of that battery. Battery is a different thing, that is a more hazardous. Then there are so many electronic things which can be used again. Which can be used again. Then third part is the plastic. Plastic is a very simple method, and we can dissolve that plastic, we can reuse, or we can recycle it. Okay? But better way to recycle. But in mobile phone, there are n number of electronic things are there, and those things are made with a very costlier material like a platinum, gold. So many costly metals are there involved in that mobile. So mobile gives more income in a recycle system, and that is economical for the recyclers. And I will ask this Bangladesh student how they are managing this e-waste, or how they are collecting the e-waste. In India, we are collecting to the students for the school to making the awareness only, but in society, we are taking NGOs lead to collect the e-waste, and we are handing over this e-waste to the proper recycler. We are not selling to anybody, we are not asking any charges from anybody.
So, I've already asked this kind of questions earlier because this school is located in an industrial zone. Especially, the school is located near the Blue Hills and industrial zone. So, they are facing a lot of pollution in that area, and already they have also conducted the rally by showing these charts and shouting slogans in this area. Now, they are also following the same kind of measures to combat the e-waste, like spreading awareness like this, and for the government the same policies of collecting the e-waste and places like India is doing, and they are of course following India's example in combating the e-waste. Also, they are working with some of the NGOs to counter the problem. As a Bangladesh as a whole, but when we talk about the school, they are still very small, and in the vicinity every industry pollution is there. So that is why we were very interested in doing this activity.
You are asking about the pollution control, and now we are on the subject of e-waste. In total world, the e-waste is the same issue over there. And now say, dear students, we can't understand the language what you have written, but you are taken efforts, and we are saying that you are doing well. In India, we are controlling with the help of society, and not only that, we are taking help of NGOs, and our NGOs, not only that, we are treating our NGOs as a environment ambassadors, and in SB Patil school also we have created some ambassadors, and they are doing well. I think the problem is same everywhere, and this industrial zone problems, for that every industry should take care of their own scrap. That is, they should develop that CDP or EDP. EDP is for the industrial zone, is a very essential, and this CDP, not only that, you should develop the recycler chain. In India, there is a big chain, and under that chain, we are getting a big support, and we are trying to manage our e-waste in a proper manner. I think India is a very active country, because our students from LKG to the age of 70, these are all everybody each Indian is supporting to this e-waste hazardous e-waste control system. And now I hope ये जो हमारा चल रहा है,
So, just to, I'm sorry, it's a connectivity issue, but then whatever you are speaking, we have recorded that, and we are going to share with them. The children have sent the photographs of charts they have made. They are made in Bangladeshi language and e-waste specifically. And that was the question about how to stop the e-waste was the question. So as I was telling you, ma'am and the children, they were telling me that they are taking, Bangladesh as a government is taking steps for reducing e-waste by following the example of India. That's what they were saying. And also to stop the hazards of e-waste, they are spreading awareness by means of rallies into the schools, just like we are doing.
See, you are doing so many efforts, you are taking efforts to control the e-waste. Now देखो हम लोग e-waste कब कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं? e-waste को कम करना है तो हमें करना है कि हमारा यूजेस, there are so many R, reduce, refuse and so many things. You know, reduce,
Recycle.
and now the new R is coming, that is the rethink. Rethink is coming at the top. Before purchasing anything, before doing anything, rethink. अरे ये मुझे करना है, ये मैं करूँ क्या?
Tell your parents you don't want anything which is made up of plastic, anything which can cause hazard to the or damage to the environment, right? Wonderful.
So repeat the dialogue. Repeat the dialogue. Reduce, recycle, and refuse. Repeat again.
To maintain it, we can reduce, reuse, and recycle and refuse.
Everybody together.
Then how to reduce it now?
We can reduce it by giving it back to the store or repairing it.
We can recycle them by giving them to authorized person who can recycle them.
Is government helping us to do this?
Yes, government help us to do so by organizing programs like the Ministry of Environment and Forest, just now at the New Delhi.
Go slow. Take your space. Slowly. They will not
They will not understand so fast.
Don't be that fast and finish your dialogue. Slowly.
So we all take place that we will not throw electronic waste in our surroundings. हम हमारे पर्यावरण की रक्षा करेंगे, रक्षा करेंगे. हम हमारे पर्यावरण की रक्षा करेंगे, रक्षा करेंगे.
Everyone.
इना वेस्ट है, इना वेस्ट है. इनको खत्म करो, ई वेस्ट को खत्म करो, खत्म करो, खत्म करो, ई वेस्ट को खत्म करो.
We have done a rally in the Rabbit village. There we have oriented people with the hazards of e-waste and also done with some slogans. And we have also oriented them that not to throw e-waste in the usual garbages.
Show the chat. Okay, all are going to repeat her.
Say no to e-waste. Don't throw your future away.
Don't throw your future away.
Make way to a brighter day.
Make way to a brighter day.
Sabina, repeat it again and tell them also to repeat after you.
Say no to e-waste.
Say no to e-waste.
Don't throw your future away.
Don't throw your future away.
Make way to a brighter day.
Make way to a brighter day.
Say no to e-waste.
Say no to e-waste.
Follow 3 R's.
Follow 3 R's.
Reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse.
Repeat again. Follow 4 R's.
Follow 4 R's.
Show your banner.
Reduce, reuse, refuse, recycle.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. Erase your e-waste. Erase your e-waste. Before it erases you. Before it erases you. Erase your e-waste. Erase your e-waste. Before it erases you. Before it erases you.
अहो स्वच्छतेचा मंत्र, अहो स्वच्छतेचा मंत्र तुम्ही ध्यानी धरावा.
I call upon Honorable Principal Ma'am to felicitate Sir, today's dignitary. And we are very thankful to Sir so that he has given us appreciation.
I will give a gift to Tina Chaudhary because she visited our office to get the knowledge about the e-waste. Come in a second. She got lot of things and now she is a perfectly trained student from your school. You will take guidance from her. Okay? And she has given her own time for that, not school time or anything. On Sunday, she came to my office. And she spent about 2 hours with her, I think, sister. Okay? And she has written so many things. She will show you the things what she has written and she has taken notes. Okay? Now, I am giving a chance to your school. I told Madam that on 19th and 20th there is a Environment Literature Festival in Pimpri Chenchor. First time we are arranging the things and EC is the leader of that. And I am giving one stall to your school to display all the things over there for students. But there is one condition. There is one condition. Not a single student will visit that festival. Your work will be there and your parents will be there. Okay? And they will say, अरे मेरे बच्चे ने इतना अच्छा बनाया. Okay? And they will appreciate you at your home. चलेगा? आप लोग बोलेंगे सबको? आपके पेरेंट्स को बताएंगे? Officially, there is a Environment Literature Festival first time in Pimpri Chinchwad and SB Patil School. All work done you people, they will display the things over there. ठीक है? E-waste, what you will say? Awareness?
Yeah.
E-waste management. We will say e-waste management by SB Patil School, Ravi. The title of that stall will be like this. Okay? Fine. Now I will give that my gift to Tina Chaudhary. Okay? चलेगा? क्या आप किसी को चाहिए? आप किसी को चाहिए कि आप किसी ने काम किया यूएस में स्पेशली? चलो, okay, good.